In this video, I am going to show you how you can connect your Ton wallet to the Dotcoin project. Immediately you hear connect your wallet in a project, that means the project is coming to the end. That means cash out is loading, right? Yes, so please, if you are new, give me a subscribe and join my Telegram channel. Follow me on Twitter as well, so that I'll give you back-to-back updates. All right, yes, I have an update concerning the OGC network or the OG community. Yes, if you haven't joined it, I'll leave the link of the OG community at the description down below, because it is getting closer to the withdrawal. Yes, so please, let's get into it. Now, if you don't have any Ton wallet, I have a video at the description that teaches you how to create a Ton wallet using the Ton Keeper. So you can check out that video. All right, yeah, so if you are new to Dotcoin, I'll leave the link at the description down below. Join this project. You still have some time to gather a little, you understand? Yes, so that is it. So all you have to do is to click on the portfolio section, which is this section. All right, just click there and you can see this beautiful thing over here. Okay, that says connect wallet. So according to the Dotcoin team, this portfolio section is basically a wallet, but when you check in front of these things, you can see we have claim. All right, I don't know, maybe they'll be doing a Ton giveaway, so you just have to stay cool. And for the Dotcoin, that is where we are going to claim our mined Dotcoin, you understand? So that is it. So just click on the connect wallet. Okay, if you are using Telegram's inbuilt wallet, you just have to click on this. But if you are using a Ton Keeper wallet, just click on this. All right, so I'm going to click on Ton Keeper because that's what I'm going to use. Okay, so now click on connect wallet, then give access. Done. Okay, so yes, so you can see that my wallet has been connected. That's why you can see my wallet address over there. So that's basically how to connect your wallet to the Dotcoin. If you are new to this channel, please give me a subscribe, like this video, join my Telegram channel, and also follow me on X. If you are old, please give me a comment and also give me a like. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.